Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm just gonna share my makeup routine by just using affordable products. If you want to achieve this makeup, keep on watching. I have a special guest. This my man. Let's just start. I can't do my makeup with my hairs falling on my face. Starting off with this Dot and Keys moisturizer. ये already खत्म हो चुकी है, but still this is the best moisturizer ever for this is the best moisturizer for like an oily face, or like it's a gel kind of a moisturizer. मिरर मेरे सामने है, तो मेरे को वहीं से देखने को इजी पड़ेगा. I have a small mirror, but still. Forgot to apply my lip balm, so I'll do it now. You have to ignore this, please. And now you wait for at least 5 minutes to just settle this down. What is this angle? I'm going to use this Insight Cosmetics primer. Best है ये because ये affordable है and I got this in like 128 rupees from Blinkit. Yeah, बहुत साल से यूज किया जा रहा है ये. Take this much amount. Especially I'm gonna focus this on my T-zone and the area around my nose. And now we wait for 5 minutes to just let this also settle in before going to another step. In my opinion, primer is something that you never ever skip applying primer, because it not only controls the shine, it also makes your makeup long lasting. Maybe पहले primer नहीं लगाया करती, I just used to go moisturizer, foundation and खत्म. And then 2 घंटे बाद मैं I was like, why does my makeup don't stay for a longer time? Why it creases, why it melts off so easily? Primer. Simple. Primer. Apply primer. Your makeup gonna stay for a longer time, as much as you want. Time for concealer before foundation. And I know बहुत misconception है इस चीज़ का कि like you should apply a concealer after foundation, you can't apply concealer before foundation. I've seen this somewhere in like, I don't know whose video, James Charles or Ankush, I don't know, but I've seen like applying concealer and then applying your foundation makes it flawless. So I'm not trying this for the first time. I have tried this like before foundation. I have applied concealer as a like covering my under eyes and covering these pimple marks and whatnot. And it has given me a best makeup result for sure. And also, fun fact, I don't know if anyone tries this or not, but whenever I apply concealer, I use a dry sponge. I don't use brushes because I found it very like intimidating, like I use a sponge and a dry sponge before a foundation and while applying a concealer. A lot of information. I don't apply much because this Insight concealer has a lot of coverage. So yeah. Just gonna apply it where it's necessary and where it's not. I'm not gonna overdo it. Yeah, this is the places where I'm gonna do it. You can also use color corrector. I don't have a color corrector right now, but if I would have, I would apply color correctors like under my eyes and the places where I have pimples, and you get it. This is the best. And already it looks good. Clearly, foundation की जरूरत नहीं है because it's nice looking as well. You can see under eyes are covered. The next step is foundation, and for foundation I have two recommendations. One is I use it for a daily wear, which is a water-based foundation. Is the Lakme Original Collection Ultra Gram Foundation. It's just a best thing that can ever happen to me because this foundation is a lifesaver for me. I personally suffer from an oily skin and a combination skin as well, and also an acne prone skin because I have a lot of acne, and whenever I apply any sort of a new foundation, it gives me so much acne because foundation contains a lot of alcohol, if I may be correct. But this foundation has never given me any sort of a problem. And secondly, for glam or a party kind of a makeup, I would highly recommend to use this Inside Stay Matte foundation. This is the best foundation in my opinion because both of these foundations are under 200. I got this foundation for like 120, I guess. Yeah, 120, and I used the shade Nude Beige, and for this I used the shade number 4. Both of this is a perfect, and for now I'm gonna apply this. This gives the full coverage in my opinion, and this is like for like every day if you don't have much time for this kind of a foundation. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this foundation now. I use this much because this much will be enough for a full face and also the neck area as well. Don't forget your neck. If this part of the face doesn't match your neck, it's a problem. Just gonna blend it in now. Try to blend it as much as possible. Smooth base as well. And I like it. Time for setting this in. This is the inside face setting spray. I have changed the bottle because like उसकी spray मेरे को like एकदम तीर की तरह लग रही थी, तो like I have changed this. I have this extra reusable spray bottles. Time to set this in, and I'm gonna use the Lakme compact powder to set all this in the shade W Melon. Wow, it shines so much. Makeup's looking so good. My makeup is looking very nice and very good and flawless as well. Time for another step, and which is kajal, and I use this Renee's kajal midnight one, and I cannot skip kajal at any point of it. I can go down without makeup, but I cannot skip this because this is a savior for me. Because without this, I can look sick as. So I'm gonna apply this kajal now. I cannot go down without a kajal on my eyes. It gives so much like I feel good when I apply kajal. Yeah, makes it even better. Next, I'm gonna do my liner, and I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Jet Black liner. Now you can only see my eyes. I'm gonna show you how I do my liner. Firstly, I get a line just like this. And I stretch it towards outer of my eyes. And I connect it with this middle part of my eyelids. And I try to join it from there. And I fill it in and make it as thick as possible. And then the remaining part, I like to join it. That's how we do it. I'm gonna do the other eyes off camera. So see you guys after that. The eyeliner is done. See? Now I'm gonna apply mascara. And I use the color bar. It's also my sister's. I have another one which I got from Zudio. And वो नहीं निकलता है. नहीं मतलब नहीं निकलता है वो. It like कितना भी like face wash, micellar water करने का कोशिश करो. It only removes from the oil. And it just stays on. My goodness. One thing that I have tried for like few times now is applying glitter under this, what do you say, inner corners. And please ignore this. I'm just noticing now कि मेरे को ये निकालना चाहिए था, but sorry for this. I'm just gonna apply some glitter under my inner corners, which makes my eyes a little look like more bigger now. So I'm just gonna take this small brush. I'm just gonna use the highlighter to just sort of like make it a shine. There it will. I'm gonna use the white one. I'm just gonna have to make you come a little closer for this part. You take this white. I'm not gonna apply this corner. I'm just gonna apply it niche, just where the kajal lies. See? You can apply glitter as well. Both of my eyes are done, and I realized कि मेरे iPhone की storage खत्म हो चुकी है. So it stopped somehow, and both of my eyes are done. You can see the difference as well. Kind of liking this part as well because it makes my eyes a little more big, and I like that. One final step is lipstick, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible lipstick. This is one of the most best lipstick. It doesn't smudge how much you eat, how much you drink. It doesn't smudge at all.